Umasipala iDitsobotla ubhekene nezingqinamba eziningi. Umkhandlu walomasipala wahlakazwa kwabe sekubanjwa ukhetho lokuchibiyela. Manje kumele kufungiswe umkhandlu omusha ngokusemthethweni kodwa nalokho kube nezihibe. iEFF ayigculisekile ngezinyathelo ezithathiwe.
The special and inaugural council meeting of Izindaba could not continue further due to continuous disruptions, and it had to be postponed to the second week of January in 2023.
iEFF ayigculisekile ngezinyathelo ezithathiwe.
iEFF was not invited to council sitting. Inside the council sitting, iEFF raises issues there. One, we raised the issue of the administrator, that the contract of the administrator ended on the 16th of December and it was not extended. That was the first issue. The second issue is why EFF councillors, not only EFF councillors by the way, why councillors were not invited. We saw the invitation on WhatsApp group.
iDA ikholelwa ekutheni lesizathu sokumisa umhlangano besingekho ngoba wonke amakhansela eEFF bekhona.
The main thing about yesterday's council was that it was not properly convened. By that saying, we didn't get proper notices for the council.
iCommissioner yokhetho eNorth West ebihambe lo mhlangano ngenhloso yokufaka isandla uma sekukhethwa abaholi ithi into efana nale kade yagcina ukwenzeka.
This is a very unique case because most probably in the history of the elections in the North Province, this has never happened, but definitely not in the past 15 years.
Kepha ukuphazamiseka lomhlangano akubathusanga abaningi.
I'm not surprised by the postponement. There's not a lot left of that municipality in terms of structure. It needs to be reconstituted in a new way, and I don't think it is a question of logistics alone. It's a problem of timing.
Utuvenekuthi kunezithuko ezintathu vo ngomasingana uthi kubanjwe lo mhlangano. Uma ungabanjwa ngosuku lomnqamula juqu kuzophoqelela ukuthi baye enkantolo ukwelula isikhathi noma kubanjwe olunye ukhetho lokuchibiyela.